Hey guys, today we are in Golf MK7 and I'm going to show you how to adjust your welcome lights that are installed under the side mirrors. Those lights will turn on only if your mirrors are unfolded. So if you fold your mirrors and open your car, you will have to wait for the mirrors to open fully for those lights to turn on. So right now I'm going to show you how to remove this restriction using OBD11. So let's go to the module list. Let's start with driver door. This is module 42. The same procedure goes for the passenger door, which is 52. So let's start over here, 42. Let's go to long coding. At the top of the screen, let's switch to the Byte view. And in Byte 01 we have bit 5, door entry lights not active while mirrors are folded. It's active and we want it to be not active. So let's save it. Okay, let's go back, and same for the passenger's door. Let's log in to the module, go to long coding, switch the view, select Byte 1 and set bit 5 to not active. Save it. Okay, this feature is programmed, so right now when I open the car we should see, yeah, exactly, that those lights under the side mirror are on instantly. Usually there's a delay and those LEDs are waiting before your side mirror unfolds fully. And right now, let's do it maybe again, let's fold it right now. Oh, it's so dark. Right now, it's on instantly. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.